It is so big. What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. I got something special for you. I'll let you see it right now. Oh, it is in the box right now. Oh, look at this. Let's see what this thing is. Like I said, guys, something awesome inside the box, and there's nothing in there. Yeah, right. There she is. You like that? Ooh. All right, guys, so full disclosure, I reached out to the Andersons, and they were nice enough to send me the new and updated Yard Star broadcast spreader, 50-pound bucket. Oh man, thank you so much. I'm super excited about this, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to put this together, and I'll let you know what the updates are on this spreader, and we'll go from there. So hang tight, and let's put this thing together. What do you say? Woo! Hey, real quick, again, thank you to the Andersons for sending me this for a review. Again, full disclosure, I did not pay for this. They sent this to me, and I'm gonna test it out this season, and I'm gonna review it throughout my season, guys. So this will be getting some work done, and I cannot wait. So without further ado, let's set this puppy up. As you can see, I like kind of setting my stuff up, getting it organized so you know what you need and where it is. So right off the bat, I see an update to this spreader and the setup. So this piece right here is already attached, along with these that are already attached in the right position, and I'll get to that later, but these are already good to go. You don't have to worry about that. Just want to make sure you have the right tools. These call for a 7/16. What is going on, everybody? Hey, as you guys have just been watching, I've been putting together my Yard Star broadcast spreader. Unfortunately, I ran out of room on my camera. I didn't know it until I was completely done. But as you saw on that last clip, I was just putting together the upper arm handle. So you're almost there. It's so easy, guys. Let me tell you again, it is so easy to put together. As you saw in the beginning as well, the update that Yard Star did for this setup was the, I guess you'd call it the kickstand, I guess. They already have that put together as well as a couple of the brackets, because I think a lot of people flip them around, but they did that already for you. So when you do get it, that'll be done. But anyway, guys, let's check out what it looks like all set up and ready to go. So I'll tell you, this thing is really nice. It's easy to push. I love the tires on this. They're huge compared to my Scots over there that I had. It is so big. Check it out one more time. One of the things I do love about it is the handle, guys. Super easy. Just super easy. Obviously, mark where you need it. That is awesome. Again, super easy to put together, guys. So easy. Tires, man, they are beefy. Haven't even used this yet. I can't wait to use it, to try it out. I just can't wait to use it. Again, they gave this to me to review, to use, to have fun with it, to, thank you so much, the Andersons. I appreciate that 100%. That is awesome.